guys, how are you? If you're new here, my name is Jen. Welcome to my channel. Normally I am in my car, but I had a situation today and I'm not in my car right now. I am in a hotel room because I went to the gym this morning. I was gonna start my day there, and I took my shower, washed my hair, changed, all that good stuff, did a little workout, and then I was getting ready to go get breakfast. So I headed back to my car, and then, you guys, my car did not start. So I called a friend of mine that was nearby, and they said it's either the alternator, the starter, or the battery, or possibly all of the above. So I did what I had to do, and I got a hotel room for the week, and they said it might take that amount of time or longer in the garage. It depends on what they find out is wrong with it. So yeah, guys, it's already 5:30 and I really haven't been able to get anything done today, but that's okay. These things happen, and I just wanted to put this out there in case you guys are considering doing this kind of life. You honestly have to be prepared for anything, and as soon as everything is back up and running, hopefully within a week or so, I will be back on the road with more vlogs with you guys. So stay tuned, peace, love, and bye.